Hey guys, we are going to be adding and subtracting some polynomials today. It's very exciting. Grab your popcorn, okay? All right, the key here is like terms, okay? I can't add 3z cubed and 2z because they're not like terms, right? So I kind of think the easiest way to go about this is to circle my like terms to help me keep everything straight, right? So I'm going to circle them in different colors is what I should say. So 3z cubed can be combined with 10z cubed, right? Okay. And then we have, here we have a 2z. And there's no just plain z over here, right? So that one doesn't have any like terms. We have a -8 and a 10. And then we didn't forget about this one. That one doesn't have a buddy either, right? I don't know why I said buddy. It doesn't have a like term either, right? So that guy we will do orange, okay? Now let's go ahead and start combining these. Now when we are adding, we don't have to worry about the parentheses too much. When we are subtracting, we will pay more attention to them, okay? So we've got 3z cubed plus 10z cubed, which gives me 13z cubed, okay? We like to go in descending order, which means I'm going to do the squared next. Remember, there wasn't a z squared over here, so that's just going to be -8z squared, okay? And then we want to do z next, which again, it didn't have a like term, so it's going to stay plus 2z. And then we have a -8 plus 10, which is going to give me a +2. Okay, and that's my answer. I've combined all my like terms. That's as simplified as I can get it at this point. Okay, all right, now let's go ahead and subtract. Very similar, but what I want to do is remember that when I have this minus here, it doesn't mean I'm just subtracting the x to the 4th. I am subtracting everything inside these parentheses, okay? So there's a couple different ways you can do this. What I like to do is go ahead and just distribute this negative to each term, okay? Ooh, we are getting, look at that. That was pretty. Okay, distributing the negative to each term. So then let's go ahead and rewrite this. So over here stays the same. I'm going to have 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed plus x squared plus 1. And then I'm distributing that negative in, which means this is going to be -x to the 4th. Distributing it in. When I subtract a negative, it goes positive. Or you can think of it as a negative times a negative is positive, okay? So this is going to be plus 4x squared. Distributing that in will give me -3x and -3. Okay, whew, that's big and long, but guess what? We just need to find our like terms, okay? So I've got 2x to the 4th, and do I have another x to the 4th? I do. I have a -x to the 4th. Okay, I've got 3x cubed, positive 3x cubed. Do I have another x cubed? I don't. So that guy is just by himself. Then I have an x squared, a positive x squared, and I have a positive 4x squared. Okay, those will be blue. Then I have, oh guys, I'm running out of color, orange. Okay, I have -3x, and there's not another, just x, so that guy will be there. And then let's grab green, where I have my +1 and my -3. Okay, all right, now we're combining our like terms. So I've got 2x to the 4th minus x to the 4th. So 2 minus 1 gives me 1, which we usually just write as x to the 4th, right? It is 1x to the 4th, but we don't usually write the ones, right? All right, then we've got plus 3x to the 3rd. And there weren't any other thirds, right? So that guy was by himself. Then we've got plus x squared, sorry, 1x squared plus 4x squared, which would give me 5x squared. And then we want to write our x next, which it was the only one. So we've just got negative 3x. And then we've got 1 minus 3, which is going to give me negative 2. Okay? And that, at this point, is as simplified as I could get that. Okay? Well, it technically might factor, but for now, that's as far as we are going to simplify it. Okay? All right, I hope this made sense. If you need some more examples like this, I will link a playlist for you. Thanks.